In this example, let's see how we can convert smaller letter string to the upper letter string. Okay, for that I am using strupr. This is a string function. I am using this string function to convert from lower letter to upper letter. Okay, in this example I am I've just declared the character array of size 20, and I am asking user to enter the string by using gets function. I am storing the string. Okay, after that I am printing the string which user is entered. Okay, after that I am converting and then printing the converted string to the upper letter. Okay, let's run the example. Okay, enter string. Okay, I will enter the string. Okay, we won the World Cup. Okay, you can see here like all these entire string is in smaller case letters. Okay, now I am pressing the enter. First it will print the same and then it will convert to the upper letter. Okay, see, the entire string is we won the World Cup. This is in smaller letter. Okay, upper string is, see, we won the World Cup. See, all the characters are in uppercase. Okay, like this we can convert smaller case letters of the string to the uppercase by using strupr string function. Okay, thank you.